What are you doing? Are you sitting on the ball hopper? Well, that's kind of silly. Did you sit on it? Oh! What happened? What's going on? Are they stuck? Well, I think they're all gone now. Say bye-bye. Are they all gone? Bye.